Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry about my mess, just got in from work. I thought I'd show you an unboxing of what I've actually got. And I've never ordered from this place, so it's all new to me. It's called Temu. I'm going to cover my address. It hasn't got my address on it, but I'm going to cover, well, obviously there doesn't say my address or anything, that's on the back. So this little package in here, I'm going to do an unboxing and let's get into the video, because I can't wait to show you what I've actually ordered in here. Let's get into the video. Right, I'm going to unbox it now, but the only thing, that's my boyfriend, sorry about that, he can wait. But as I said, let's rip this bad boy open. So I'm very excited. I've never ordered, as I said, I've never ordered off of this, and it was quite cheap. All of these cost me £11, which isn't bad really. It took a long time because it's from China. Oh, there's so much goodies. I don't want to put a open first. Right, one of them I think is, I'm not 100% sure because it's foreign. Oh, this is a lip balm, I think. So I got one of these, which is a heat, what you put your straighteners on to stop them from overheating. So I got that because my other one is ripped and it's a bit too small for my straighteners. So I'm hoping this will do the trick. So we can only hope. I don't know why I'm doing this so quick. The next thing I got, which I'm super excited about, is it's called Leave-In Conditioner. Spray detangles, reduces breakage, frizz and split ends. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try. Never used this before, so probably try this tonight, see how I get on. The next thing I got is an electric nose trimmer, because mine recently broke, and it looks a bit thingamajig. It's a bit abnormal because, oh, hope it comes with a charger, because I won't be happy. No charger? No charger. Oh, perhaps it takes batteries? Yeah, it takes batteries. So I think I've got some batteries up there, or I can use it in my old one. So that's what it looks like. I can't get the bloody thing on there. Oh, there we go. So you basically do that, switch that on, up your nostrils. You obviously know how a nose trimmer works, so I don't need to go into that detail. Now this one I was super excited about, which is this. Now I watched someone on, funny enough, she's on YouTube as well. Her name is Kaylee Summer. I follow her on there. And I saw her wearing this. It's a headband. Designed for like when you put your makeup on, so you don't get it, you know, on your clothes or whatever, and it don't, you know, basically it's a headband for your makeup. And I got a pink one, and I'll probably use this tomorrow or when I go on holiday with my boyfriend's family. What else did I get? What's in this little packaging? Oh, this is tooth powder. Now, I'm not sure about this. My boyfriend told me to throw it. Because he doesn't trust Chinese. But I don't really, so it's in a little container like that. I'm not 100% sure about this. So probably give that a miss, or I'm not sure about that. Next thing I got, half of the stuff in here I can't remember what it is, but strawberry tipsy. It's a perfume. I do like the box because it's got like strawberries on the top, so that's quite cute. Let's open this one up together because I want to see, because I need to take a little perfume with me. Is this perfume or is it lip balm? Perfume. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my life. Right. Oh my god. Oh, it smells lovely. So you just... Do you do that? I don't know. You just dab it in. It smells quite nice actually. Can't remember how much this was, but this is solid perfume. I'm not sure. I'll have to put a translate on for this because I'm not sure how this actually works. What else did I get? I got a new lipstick. I don't know why. I've got so many. Oh, lip gloss. This is not lipstick. Sorry, I don't know why I said lipstick. I'm not sure about this colour, but I'll probably stick this. I don't know. But before you all go, I wanted to smell this, which is leave-in conditioner, because oh, it smells quite nice. It actually smells like conditioner, which is weird. But yeah, this reminds me of my other lippy I've got. So yeah, so that's everything. And I look forward to trying these a bit later on. Sorry if I keep putting my head down. I don't know. I'm not tired or anything. I just keep putting my head down. But anyway, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I won't be on here for a while because I'm a bit busy and me and my boyfriend are actually saving for a house. I won't tell you where we're actually going yet because we haven't got it yet. But next week I'm going on holiday with him, which will be fun. We're going to Great Yarmouth with his family, so I'm excited about that. Basically that's it. So thank you all for watching it watching all my YouTube channels and everything, and I look forward to seeing you in my other videos. Lots of love. Take care. Mwah.